Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from radical equations. Here x cannot be equal to -2 and we have to find all real solutions. So let's get started by writing our equation. Fifth root of 4x plus 9 can be written as 4x plus 4 plus 5. In denominator we have 81x plus 162, which we will write 81x plus 81 plus 81 plus fifth root of 7x plus 13 can be written as 7x plus 7 plus 6 in the numerator, and in denominator we will write 81x plus 81 plus 81 equal to 1. Now we will take 81 common from these two, 4 common from these two, 7 common from these two terms, and 81 common from these two terms. We will get fifth root of 4 times x plus 1 plus 5 over 81 is common, in bracket x plus 1 plus 81 plus fifth root of 7 is common, in bracket we will write x plus 1, then we have plus 6 in the numerator, and in denominator we will write 81 common, in bracket x plus 1 plus 81. RHS is 1. Now we have x plus 1 everywhere, so let us assume x plus 1 equal to y. So our equation will become fifth root of 4y plus 5 over 81y plus 81 plus fifth root of 7y plus 6 in the numerator and 81y plus 81 in the denominator. RHS is 1. Now we will multiply our numerator denominator inside the radicand by 3. So let us multiply numerator denominator by 3. Now denominator will become 243y plus 243, and we know that fifth root of 243 is fifth root of 3 power 5. Fifth root and power 5 will get over. We can write over there 3. So in denominators there will be 3 outside from this fifth root, and inside the radicand we will get y plus 1. So we can write equation fifth root of, will write 12y plus 15 in the numerator, and in denominator we'll write y plus 1, and then we will write over here 3 power 5 or 243 plus fifth root of 21y plus 18 over 3 power 5 times y plus 1 equal to 1. Now we will multiply by 3 both sides, because this fifth power and this fifth root will get over. So I can write our equation 12y plus 15 over y plus 1 plus fifth root of 21y plus 18 over y plus 1 equal to 1. And here we can write 1 over 3. Now we will be multiplying both sides by 3. So 3 times 1, and here also we will write 1 times 3. This 3 and denominator 3 will be cancelled out. we will get equation fifth root of 12y plus 15 over y plus 1 plus fifth root of 21y plus 18 over y plus 1 equal to 1 times 3 is 3. Now we have to consider substitutions. Let's say first fifth root equal to a and second fifth root equal to b. So we have equation a plus b equal to 3. Now I will raise power 5 to our substitutions to find a power 5 and b power 5. So let's figure out a power 5 plus b power 5, which will be equal to 12y plus 15 over y plus 1 plus 21y plus 18 over y plus 1. Now we have y plus 1, our common denominator, and in numerator we'll simply add and get 33y plus 15 plus 18 is 33. So we can write a power 5 plus b power 5 will be equal to 33 times y plus 1 over y plus 1, which will give us a power 5 plus b power 5 equal to 33. And our first equation was a plus b equal to 3. Now we have one system of equations in a and b. So I will solve this system of equation by considering ab equal to t. Now I can find a square plus b square using algebraic formula a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So I can write here a plus b is 3. So 3 square minus 2 times t, which will be equal to 9 minus 2t. So a square minus b square is 9 minus 2t. Now we will find a cube plus b cube. Using algebraic formula, we'll write a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. Now a plus b is 3. So we'll write here 3 cube minus 3 times t times a plus b is again 3, which will be equal to 27 minus 90. So a cube plus b cube is 27 minus 90. Now we'll multiply both to get a power 5 plus b power 5. Let's multiply a square plus b square times a cube plus b cube will be equal to 9 minus 2t times 27 minus 90. Now we can take 3 common from here and let's multiply a square with a cube a power 5, b square with b cube b power 5. Let's write a power 5 plus b power 5. Now cross product terms, b square with a cube b square, and then a square times b cube will become a square b cube. I will take a square b square common. So in the bracket we can get a plus b. In right hand side we'll write 9 minus 2t times 3 is common, 9 minus 3t. Now we have a plus b 3, a power 5 plus b power 5 33. So I can write 33 plus a square b square is ab whole square. I can write t square. Then we have 3. So 3t square equal to 9 minus 2t times 9 minus 3t, and multiplier 3 we will write here. Now we can divide both sides by 3. So 3 over 3 will become 1. 33 over 3 is 11. We will write here 11 plus t square equal to 3 over 3 is 1. 9 minus 2t times 9 minus 3t, which we will multiply and get 81 minus 45t plus 6t square. In LHS we have t square plus 11. By writing all the terms to RHS, we will get one quadratic in t, 5t square minus 45t plus 70 equal to 0. Equation is divisible by 5. Let's divide by 5. T square minus 90 plus 14 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation which we can factor easily. T minus 2 times t minus 7 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write either t minus 2 equal to 0, so t equal to 2, or t minus 7 equal to 0, so t equal to 7. Now t was substitution, it is equal to AB. So we will write here AB equal to 2, AB equal to 7. And we have our first equation, A plus B equal to 3. From this equation I can find B in terms of A. So B will be equal to 3 minus A, which we will apply over here. So let me write AB equal to 2 and AB equal to 7. Here B is 3 minus A. So we can write A times 3 minus A equal to 2. A times 3 minus A equal to 7. Now we will take all the terms to RHS and get quadratic equations. A square minus 3A plus 2 equal to 0. And here we will write A square minus 3A plus 7 equal to 0. Let's solve second quadratic equation first. Here we will find discriminant, delta. It is as per formula b square minus 4 times AC. So b is minus 3 square is 9, minus 4 times 1 times 7, 28. Discriminant is minus 19. Discriminant is negative. So we are going to get complex solutions. We can reject second system from here, or second equation from here. Now we have a square minus 3a plus 2 equal to 0. We will factor easily and write a minus 1 times a minus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we are going to get a equal to 1 and a equal to 2. Now a was our substitution. If I will write our substitution, then fifth root of 12y plus 15 over y plus 1 equal to a. So we will raise power 5 both sides and write a power 5 will be 12y plus 15 over y plus 1. So let's find out a power 5 from here. Will be equal to 1 power 5, 1, 2 power 5, 32. Now a power 5 will be 12y plus 15 over y plus 1 will be equal to 1 and will be equal to 32. Now we will write two equations from here, 12y plus 15 over y plus 1 equal to 1. Then we have 12y plus 15 over y plus 1 equal to 32. Let's cross multiply. We will get 12y plus 15 equal to y plus 1. So we can write here 11y equal to 1 minus 15 minus 14. So y will become minus 14 over 11. Now we have to solve second equation. After cross multiplication and simplification, we will get y value minus 17 over 20. So we have minus 14 over 11 and minus 17 over 20. So if I will write here y equal to minus 14 over 11 and minus 17 over 20. Y was our substitution. It was x plus 1. We will write x plus 1 equal to minus 14 over 11 and minus 17 over 20. By subtracting 1 both sides, we are going to get minus 14 minus 11 minus 25 over 11 and minus 17 over 20 minus 1 would be minus 37 over 20. So we have two real values of x which will satisfy our equation minus 25 over 11 and minus 37 over 20. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.